Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the full details of the practice directory from healthcare directory and medical treatments. If you've ever struggled to find the right healthcare provider, a reliable clinic, or trusted medical services, this directory was built to make your search easier, faster, and more effective. The practice directory is more than just a list, it's a complete guide designed to connect patients with doctors, specialists, and healthcare facilities. Instead of wasting time visiting multiple sites or making endless calls, you can access everything in one simple platform. Here's how it works. Step 1. Visit healthcare directory and medical treatments online. You will find the section marked a practice directory. It's built to be straightforward, so you don't need to dig around to find it. Step 2. Press the Practice Directory button. This opens a carefully organized list of medical practices and providers. Categories include general practitioners, specialists, dental care, rehabilitation, mental health, and even alternative medicine. Step 3. Use the built-in filters and search bar. Looking for a cardiologist near you? Type it in. Need a rehabilitation center within your city? Narrow it down by location. You can also filter by specialty, rating, or available treatments. Step 4. Explore the details. Each listing includes full information such as addresses, contact numbers, operating hours, and descriptions of services. Many profiles also include patient reviews, so you can compare and choose with confidence. Step 5. Connect directly. Once you've identified the right practice, the directory makes it simple to reach out, whether through a phone call, email, or direct booking link. Everything is designed to save you time and give you reliable results. The practice directory from healthcare directory and medical treatments is not just about convenience, it's about empowerment. It gives patients the tools to make informed decisions about their health, ensuring that care is accessible, trustworthy, and tailored to individual needs. To recap, visit the healthcare directory and medical treatments platform, click on the practice directory, search by category or filters, explore detailed listings, and connect directly with the provider you need. With this directory, healthcare access becomes clear and simple. Full details are right at your fingertips, ready to guide you toward the care you deserve.